Ever yawn around someone and boom, you yawn too? Contagious yawning is real. See it when friends, pets, or even videos make you yawn. In fact, one study found you're about 6 times more likely to yawn after seeing someone else yawn. Why? Scientists aren't 100% sure, but a leading idea is a social mirroring instinct. Areas in our brain, mirror neurons, make us imitate others automatically. It may have evolved to sync group behavior or convey alertness. Yawning together even happens in dogs, chimps, and birds. It's not just human fatigue. So next time you catch a yawn, know it's your mirror neurons at work.